Writing a program to find the factorial of any number using wend statements. So, yeah, we have to declare a variable first to be used in the program. So we are using variable n that will represent the numbers. We are declaring it as integer. Note, dim statement, dim is used in declaring, is a declaration statement. We use dim to declare. So we declare to be integer since we are finding factorial of an integer number, and the fact that we represents our result should be also integer since integer. So I declare that one to be integer. So the next thing is to do is that to assign that 7 into n. Let our n be equal to 7. That is, we are finding the factorial of 7 number. And in fact, we hold our result, we assign 1 to it. If we don't assign 1 into fact, what we will get is 0. Whatever we multiply by 0 will keep on giving us 0. So why statement? We set up the condition using why statements. Why statements are iteration statements. So why we are counting downward this time around. That is why n is greater than n is greater than 1, the iteration should continue. If y is greater than 1, the iteration should continue. What will happen is that the facts we have already assigned 1 into facts will be multiplied and assigned to that same fact. Will be multiplied by n. So we need a kind of decremental value that will be decreasing the number by 1 until you get to that actual 1. So that means that we are going to write an expression that we are going to keep on minusing 1, which is n is equal to n minus 1, which has been written. So at the end of the loop you have wend to indicate the end of the loop. If you are using why statements, why we mark the beginning, why wend we mark the end of the loop. It has been done now. Let's print the result of our factorial. So what is going to be the factorial? The factorial is fact. So let's run it and see what is going to be our output. Correct. So that's a simple program to find the factorial of any number using why wend statement.